Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your guest Mama Sigrid channel. Fatal also Matarder. So yung hapon na to, tignan natin sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Cancer. So Cancer, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy at kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancer yan ng ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate kung hindi lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit the bell for more videos. Update ko, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na hindi skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik digdig na gumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Cancer. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit, God please give me information para kang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga baraha. So there's an eternal love. Now there's something everlasting promises. Oh, mayroon talagang pag-ibig na walang hanggan, pasabag. And this is something decides to be happy now. So kailangan mo magdesisyon na magiging masaya ka ngayon, no? Sa lahat ng bagay, decision mo, kailangan happy ka. And there's a positive thought, create a positive result. Always being positive and just being optimistic. Na manatili kang positibo sa lahat ng gagawin mo, sa lahat ng iisipin mo, sa lahat ng pagdidesisyonan mo, kailangan positibo. And of course, you created the situation and you have the power to change it. No, ikaw yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo, ikaw din yung makakagawa ng paraan para makalaya ka dyan sa kalagayan at sitwasyon mo. And of course, there's something honor and trust you're feeling. No, lagi ka makikinig sa nararamdaman mo at magtitiwala ka sa nararamdaman mo. No? So let's see paano natin hihimay-himayan at paano natin i-elaborate sa'yo. Anong mensahe sa'yo ng ating gabay? No, na ating Archangel Michael ang ating maidadagdag. Let's see. Okay, so this is something, the Three of Pentacles for collaborations. No, mag-ingat ka na sa pakikipag-connections, sa pakikipag-ugnayan, sa pakikipag-usap. Or of course, there's something, a unity. No, pagtutulungan. Alamin pa natin, there's a Death card. No, something and ending in your beginning. Na may mga bagay na matatapos na, may mga bagay na magwawakas na, at maaaring magsimulang muli. No? So let's see what is additional messages. And represent with a wheel of fortune, with turning back. Ito na yung panahon at pagkakataon na iikot ng kapalaran na maaari pumabor na sa iyo ang sitwasyon. No? Let's see. Additional messages. So there's a Two of Cups with a partnership. No, there's something unconditional with the eternal love. Talagang may pagmamahal na mamutangi sa lahat. No, may pagmamahal na hindi mamatatawaran. No? And there's a Sun card with a pure positive outcome na magiging maganda ng kalalabasan dito, magiging maganda na ang idudulot ng sitwasyon mo. No? And this is something, the world, that represents success, accomplishment, travel. Now, some of you guys, sa mga kapag nababasa ka na, some of you makakaalis ka na, or some of you magtatagumpay ka na. And of course, there's something guys with the Hangman in reverse. Some of you guys na nakakaranas ka ng delays and cancellation in every transaction. Lalo-lalo na sa pakikipagkomunikasyon. No? Kaya kailangan mag-ingat. And this something guys with a chart with an action and movement na magkakaroon ng changes sa development sa situation mo. Tapos na ang paghihintay. No? Tapos na ang pananatili sa sitwasyon. What is the Wheel of Fortune? So there's a Three of Swords in reverse. Something recovery from the pain. Na makaka-recover ka na sa lahat ng sigalot, lahat ng mga bagay pinagdaanan mo, nagbigay lungkot at takot sa'yo. Lahat na iikot yung kapalaran na maaaring pumabor na sa iyong sitwasyon at maaaring maging maganda na ang ikot ng kapalaran mo. What is the Two of Cups? Represented with the Emperor, just being mature enough and being grounded. So, kailangan pagdating sa emosyon, pagdating sa love, pagdating sa pakikipag-communicate, just being wise, no? Being intelligent, maging matalino at may respeto at disiplina. What is the Sun card? represent with the Queen of Pentacles, being mature enough and being grounded pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo. No? So let's see what is additional messages. Represent, guys, with the Ten of Cups, with the happiness. At the end of the time, no, guys, no, magiging masaya at magiging maganda ng idudulot at babaguhin ang mundo na ginagalawan mo. And there's a Devil card, guys. So, ibig sabihin talaga may humakad lang, no, sa mga transaction, communications, kaya ka nakakaranas ng delays and cancellation. Ganon. Additional messages. And this is something, the Knight of Swords. Some of you guys, no, nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, sleepless nights, that because of this situation. So, ito na yung pagwawakas. O some of you guys, na nanaginip ka ng mga namatay, no, ng mga na-shaggy, no? And of course, there is something, guys, with changes and development. Ibig sabihin na to, kaya ka na nanaginip ng mga patay, ay dahil may mga bagay na magbabago na, matatapos na ang inyong paghihintay, no? Magkakaroon na ng changes and development na sa situations mo, na magpapawala ng stress mo. What is additional messages? There's a Star card. See, this is a turning back. Na mawawala na yung takot mo, yung lahat ng mga sakripisyo at paghihirap mo, matatapos na yan. And this is something, the Star card, hope, pag-asa. At maaaring ito na yung kahilingan mo, no? At magdadala sa iyo ng positibong kalalabasan. Wow! And there's an Ace of Swords with the mental clarity. Bibigyan liwanag lahat ng bagay na to at magiging mas matured ka na this time. You are also being a better version of yourself. Pasabog! And of course, guys, there's something, the Seven of Swords with the sneakiness. Now, there's a lot of cheating lying on you. Just being mature enough pagdating sa pag-manage ng pera. Dahil some of them, guys, na maaaring maloko ka, mabudol ka, kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka. Additional messages. Represent with the Ten of Swords. Some of you guys na meron talaga sumasabot tayo mga trader sa'yo dahil sa inggit. No, especially with the family-oriented or family-related. No, maaaring nasa paligid mo lang. No, maaaring inggit sa pamilya din at the same time. What is additional messages for the outcome? So there is a Nine of Pentacles. There is a blossoming. No, do you have a potential for abundance? No, may potential para maging pasabog at lumago ang iyong finances. Pero hinaharangan. No, hinakadlangan with the Devil card. What is additional messages? So there is something, the Five of Swords. Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage, not because of your action. So kailangan kung kikilos ka, kung gagalaw ka, kung magdidesisyon ka, huwag kang magkukwento sa iba. Ganon. Dahil marami sa paligid mo, especially sa kamag-anak, kaibigan, environment, no? Some of them, guys, naiinggit sa'yo. Inggit. Tara, additional messages. And there's something, the Justice card. Karma is waving. Talagang pinapakita at binabahagi na merong karma. Now, there's a principle of karma na walang makakaligtas. What goes around comes around. Ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa sa'yo, babalik sa kanila yan. Ganun yan. Additional messages. And this is something, the strength card with the confident. Lakas loob mong harapin lahat ng bagay na ito. Bibigyan liwanag ang iyong isipan na magiging positibo ang kalalabasan ng bawat eksena na gagawin mo. Diba? Let's see. And there's a Six of Swords with the transition. No, dadaling ka nito sa makabagong mundo. No, dadaling ka nito sa ikabubuti at ikauunlad mo. Kailangan lang mag-ingat ka. No, kailangan lang pakawalan yung mga taong minsan na nakasira ng eksena mo or landasin mo. Huwag ka na muling magpapauto, huwag ka na ulit magpapaniwala sa matatalinhagang salita. Additional messages. Represent, guys, with the judgment for a wake-up call. You need to pay attention. So, pinapaalalahanan ka na mag-ingat ka sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan, especially sa mga tao sa paligid mo. No, there's something environment na maaring toxic. No, there's a sabotage na maaring tinatraidor. No, isa sa parte ng pamilya mo at the same time sa mga sa paligid mo. No, maaaring naiinggit sa pamilya mo. No, there's a judgment parang paalala na you need to pay attention. So, let's see. And the power of the Rick with the Knight of Wands. So, there's something perseverance. Kailangan mo magtiyaga sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Konti na lang magtatagumpay ka na. So, guys, alamin na natin lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo. Pagdating sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan, let's watch this. So, let's see. Pagdating naman tayo sa finances and career, guys. Pagdating sa finances and career, so there's a Seven of Cups. Oh, maraming opportunities na darating. Kumalma ka, darating na siya. And there's something, the Tower moment for a major changes, malaking pagbabago na magaganap mo. And this is something, a sudden changes. So it means biglaan. No, hindi mo inaadya at hindi mo rin inaakala. Wow! And there's something that Eight of Wands with a fast communication and fast movement. Na mabibilis ang transaction, communications, na maaari magdala sa'yo ng trouble. Wow! And there's something, the Knight of Cups, a wish fulfillment. So talaga matutupad yung mga pangarap mo. Talagang wow, mapapaikot ka talaga na excited ito. Parang para mapapa-cartwheel ka talaga. And this is something the King of Pentacles, something na security and practicality. So pagdating sa pag-manage ng pera, dapat maging mature ka na. No? Huwag kang padadala ng tensyon, huwag kang padadala ng emosyon. Dahil titignan dito kung gano'n ka karupok. No? Baka mauto ka ulit. And this is something the 6 of Wands for victory is yours. Magtatagumpay ka. No? Sa larangan na pinanghahawakan mo negosyo man yan o hanap buhay, trabaho. Kumapit ka. Pagdating sa love life, so there's something guys with the 3 of Wands. There's a waiting for a relationship. Kung may hinihintay ka, there's a possible na dumating na. No? Maaring magkita na kayo, maaring umuwi na to. And this something the Ace of Wands, something a new project and new plans. So dito papasok ang mga bagong idea yung dalawa na person mo. Or either para magkakaroon dito ng motivations para mas lumawak ang inyong plano ng iyong person. And of course, there's something guys with the 2 of Swords. There's a indecision. So some of you guys na nagkakaroon ka ng indecision, siguro marami kayong bagay na gustong gawin. Pero kailangan hinahinay lang, no? And this is something the Full card will leap of faith, no? Sinusubukan din ang inyong pananampalataya at tiwala. So let's see. This is something the King of Wands, a vision. Unti-unti nyo makikita ang kalalabasan ng eksena, pangarap at kagustuhan nyong matupad. Now there's something a bigger picture of yourself. Unti-unti mo na makikita malaking pagbabago ang magaganap sa inyong dalawa na person mo. And of course, guys, there's something the the 8 of Swords. Sabi ko na nga ba sa inyong relasyon napapalibutan kayo ng toxic. Diba? I think this is something a toxic relatives or toxic family. So let's see what is the additional messages pagdating sa kalusugan. So there's a 9 of Wands. So there's something pagtsatsaga, no? Kailangan mo magtsaga at excuse me. Magtsatsaga at of course, tignan mo ano man yung bagay na makakatulong for you. And there's a 9 of Wands, slow and steady. Matuto kang kumalma. And there's a 4 of Pentacles, no, protect your power, protect your energy, protection mo ang iyong sarili. No? Hindi ko sinabi magtipid ka ng bonggang-bongga, kailangan mo kumain na masusustansya, ha? And this is something, the 4 of Wands celebration, gaganda ng kalagayan. At of course, some of you guys magbe-birthday na. So let's see what is additional messages. Once again, Cancer, na happy birthday to all of you guys na nagbe-birthday today. No, sa mga susunod na araw. And there's a 10 of Wands, something a burden. No, may mga bigat kayo ng pasanin, pasakit na pinagdadaanan sa ngayon. But there's something the King of Cups. No? Meron ditong gumagabay sa inyo, ancestor guides na gumagabay. It's either your brother, your father, no? And a husband, of course. Ganon. So let's see. Pagdating naman tayo, guys, with the magical fairy messages advisor, because sa pick a card, yes or no. Ang pick a card, yes or no, bago ka sa channel ko, na pwede ka magtanong. Isa lang ang magiging sagot dyan within 1, 2, or 3. Comment down below kung ano number na pili mo para malaman natin kung umabot ka ba sa reading na to. At the same time, malalaman mo yung sagot na yan sa dulo ng reading na to. So let's see and watch this. Okay, with the magical fairy messages, represent what? With the magical fairy messages, so there is something that express individuality. Now allow your true self to shine because of your awesome. Ipakita mo sa ibang tao or sa sarili mo yung mga bagay na kaya mo. Diba? And of course, this is something guys with the summer. Now everything that you're asking for becomes your summertime. Now ngayon summer season, maaaring masasagot na lahat ng katanungan mo. And there's a let go. Na may mga bagay na kailangan ka nang i-let go. Pakawalan at bitawan. What is a yin and yang oracle card? And this is something guys with an empathy, with a breakthrough, talaga magtatagumpay ka. No? And this is something close off with a guarded, no? Protection at pangalaga mo yung sarili. And there's a distance. No? Kailangan mo dumistansya sa mga taong pakilamera, ambisyosa. No? Inggitera. No? Hindi mo kailangan makipagsiksikan sa kanila. Maging totoo ka sa sarili mo. Now, what is the synchronicities represent what? And there's the artist, no? You're also creator, either your artist, no? Maaaring nagde-design ka, ganito, ganyan. Or either may artist dito magaling magdrama. And there's a synchronicities for signs. No? Maraming signo, senyales na pinababatid sa'yo. Like angel's number, no? Synchronicities for daydream, no? Nightmare, something like that, dreams. And there's persistence. So, may mga bagay na kailangan tuloy-tuloy ka lang, no? Sa ginagawa mo. No? Hindi pwede pa bago-bago yan. Kailang consistent ka. What is the romance angel for Mystic Love Oracle deck? Represent with the soulmate. Some of you guys soulmate kayo na person mo. And there's an everlasting. Everlasting and there's an eternal love. Talagang mapuputangi talagang pagmamahal. And this is something addiction. Some of you, na merong unhealthy attachment dito, guys. Especially yung luho at bisyo na nakakasama sa inyong sa inyong relasyon. And this is something trouble, na magkakaroon din ng trouble dito. What is an angel's number? Represent what? Represent, guys, with a 21 with the energy levels. The day you're waiting for will come. Means in discipline, you're getting closer to your end goal. There's no need to overextend yourself. Guard your energy to remain focused. It will pay off. It's a climb that elevator ride. Trust in you. Magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. No, hindi pa rin pabago-bago ng energy ng gusto mo mangyari. Kailangan consistent ka. Consistent is the key. No. Now, what is the money move oracle deck? Represent with the social status. Don't get arrogant. No, kapag kilala ka na at maaaring kilala ka na sa society or something, publicity, parang you're also public servant, ganon. No, maaaring influencer ka, artista ka. No, maaaring sinasabi dito, mag-ingat ka at huwag ka rin daw magiging mayabang at mataas, no? Ang tingin sa sarili. Kailangan matuto kang magpakumbaba. Humble lang. Ganun ang atake mo dapat. What lies beneath with the future? Para mananatili, no? Na balanse ang iyong buhay kung hindi lang pagdating sa pag-ibig, pati sa pera, no? Sa blessing. Magtuloy-tuloy yan. And of course, there's a fake apology. Mag-ingat ka ha. Meron ditong hihingin ng tawad at hindi totoo. Hindi sincere yung paghihingi niya ng apology. No, mag-ingat ka dyan. There's cuff up and finding evidence getting cuff cheating. No, some of you meron talaga nagsisinungaling behind your back. No, kumukuha na lang ng ebidensya to. Or either inaalam niya kung ano ebidensya mo at the same time, parang buburahin niya. Ganon. And there's clarifying for a love situation. For clarifying for a love situation. And there's a safeguard step. Sometimes to protect oneself, the bravest act is to walk away. So, diba, hindi naman yung pagiging matapang yung, yung lumabang ka sa sitwasyon na yan eh. Kung alam mo, ang pinaka the best way is yung umiwas, gawin mo. Diba? What is a shadow work represent what? What is a shadow work represent what? And this something is with resentment, forgiveness, release, and serenity. No? Kailangan mo talaga dito, guys, na pakawalan na yung mga bagay na nangyari sa nakaraan. Huwag mo nang pilit ungkatin pa. No? Alam ko may pinaglalaban ka, pero hindi mo naman kailangan patunayan sa kanila. No? Just let go and having move on. Ganon. And there's clarifying for life situation. Kaya may let go eh. No, talagang let go, and let go. Diba? Pagpapalaya at dumistansya sa mga taong minsan na nakapanakit sa'yo. Diba? And there's something, trust your path. Listen to your intuition, seek directions, and embrace discovery as a revealed journey within. So, makinig ka sa intuition mo at dadaling ka sa tamang direksyon at tanggapin mo lahat ng bagay na madidiscover mo at sasagutin lahat ng katanungan mo at yung mga bagay na hindi mo palubos na nauunawaan sa sitwasyon mo. And there's a path of the light represent what? What is the path of the light represent what? And there's something, I am the light. So, ikaw yung magsisilbing liwanag. No? Kung hindi lang para sa iba, kundi para sa sarili mo. No matter the trials I face, I hold faith in a bright future. I transform darkness into the light, opening my heart to others and to God. I draw the light to myself and shine with all my being, radiating love, hope, and strength. No? Bibigyan ka ng kalakasan, tibay, lakas ng loob, no? Naharapin lahat ng bagay na nangyayari sa buhay mo ngayon. Nakaalisin yung takot, pangamba, at dadaling ka nito sa mas maliwanag na sitwasyon at positibong kalalabasan nito. So, let's see what is the pick a card, yes or no. So, let's watch this. So, nandito tayo sa huling pahina ng eksena natin, guys. With a yes or no, pick a card. Ano yung magiging sagot sa tanong mo? Let's start with the number 1. Sino yung nakapili na number 1? Ito na yon. Okay. There's a no. Current too strong, find solid gratitude. No? Hindi pa... Kumbaga sinasabi dito, hindi mo pa nakikita yung tamang landasin mo. Kailangan mo hanapin, no, yung bagay na magpapatibay sa eksena mo. No, ibig sabihin nito, parang parang ano to, parang marupok or something, mabubuwag pa tong sitwasyon mo, kailangan mong humanap ng tamang sitwasyon, no? Or tamang kalalagyan mo, ganan, na magpapatibay sa'yo or magpapalakas sa eksena mo. Number 2, there is a no, not able to proceed close to negotiation. No, ibig sabihin ito, wag mo ilaban. No, yung negotiation na to, yung sa mga client, customers mo, or either with an agency or something, a company, no? Kumbaga, wag ka magpo-proceed. Kasi hindi yan para dyan ka. Or either maaaring makasama sa iyo yan. No, hindi magiging maganda ang kalalabasan yan. Number 3, there is a yes, reflection or true, trust what you see. No, lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo, alam mo, magre-reflect sa'yo. Kaya kung ano yung nakikita mo, ay maaaring tugma, no, sa mangyayari sa'yo. So, there's a yes. So, guys, and of course, yung Cancerian kasi, guys, correct, dagdag ko lang to ha. Ang Cancerian kasi, mataas din ang psychic ability. So, yung tinatawag na reflection, ay maaaring nakikita mo by visions, no? So, guys, this is Archangel Michael messages for the sign of Cancerian. So, Cancer, maraming salamat po for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading namang di lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos of Dirks. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo nang skip ng adsaway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik diglig gumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!